Hey folks! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to get the most out of your credit card spending, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the top cashback credit cards you need to know about. And hey, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to try out each of these cards for yourself. First up, the Citi Double Cash Card. This little gem gives you 2% cash back on everything you buy. Yep, you heard that right. 1% when you buy, and another 1% when you pay it off. Plus, there are no limits on your cashback earnings. It's a straightforward, no-nonsense card that's perfect for everyday purchases. Next, let's talk about the Chase Freedom Unlimited. This card offers 1.5% cash back on all purchases. But here's the kicker. They often have awesome introductory offers, like 3% cash back in your first year. Plus, it has no annual fee. So, if you want a card that gives you a little extra in your first year, this one's a solid choice. Now, for those who love dining out and traveling, the American Express Blue Cash Preferred Card is a game changer. You get 6% cash back at U.S. supermarkets, up to $6,000 per year in purchases. 6% and 6% on select U.S. streaming subscriptions. Plus 3% at U.S. gas stations and on transit. There is an annual fee, but if you maximize these categories, it's well worth it. For a versatile option, check out the Discover It Cashback Card. It offers 5% cash back on rotating quarterly categories like gas stations, grocery stores, restaurants, and Amazon.com. And get this, Discover matches all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year. Yes, they double it. That's a fantastic way to boost your rewards. And finally, we have the Capital One SavorOne Cash Rewards Credit Card. This is perfect for foodies and fun seekers. Earn 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and at grocery stores. Plus 1% on all other purchases. And the best part? No annual fee. If you love going out and enjoying life, this card has your name on it. So there you have it, folks. No matter how you spend, there's a cashback credit card out there to help you maximize your rewards. Make sure to check out the links in the description to find the perfect card for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your money. Until next time, keep earning those rewards.